Welcome, in front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A30s, and today I will show you how to hard reset the device through settings. So to begin, you want to open up Settings app, and from there let's scroll all the way down till you see General Management, where you will find Reset, and at the bottom you have Reset Data or Factory Data Reset right there, and it gives you a list of everything that will be removed throughout the process. So you have Google account, system app, data, settings, downloaded apps, music, pictures. Basically anything that you have put in there will be removed, and the only apps that will remain are the ones that come preloaded with the device whenever you turn it on for the first time. So once you're ready, you can tap on reset and then delete all, and the process will begin. Now it's a fairly quick one, it should take only about a couple minutes, and once it's finished we should be then greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.